Okay, I am going to take their bike out. Cold tires, got to remember that. They said it feels like it's starving of gas. Hey, Andrew. Okay, so I've done several laps on their bike, which the indication was that the carb idles too high or that the carb is starving of fuel. Those two things are the same thing on a two-stroke, or at least they can be. I'm out here riding the bike right now. I don't feel any problems with it whatsoever. But the other thing is that, sorry, I thought they were signaling at me. Don't know who those people are. Anyway, so my thought is there's nothing wrong with the carb as far as I can tell. If they think it's starving for fuel, it may just be the bob, because it's a two-stroke. If it's off the pipe and you ask for more throttle, it doesn't go faster. You have to back off the throttle to get it to at least go. Keep it hungry is the rule. Don't ask for more throttle than the bike wants. Fun bike to ride, because it is a two-stroke and it has that behavior. You gotta learn to ride the bike the way the bike wants to be ridden. There are people out here practicing for sprints. So I will not see him in the endurance race. Okay, I'm going to give their bike back to them with my verdict. I have no problem with this bike. They could ride this one, they could ride the other one. Is this your stand? Okay. It's perfect.
I wonder what his problem was then.
Has he ridden a two-stroke?
I don't know. Was it good?
Yeah, it's perfectly fine. It's a... Yeah. It's not over-revving, it's not starving of fuel, but if you are greedy on the throttle, it'll feel like it's dying because it's a two-stroke. Yeah, it'll feel like it's dying. If you whack open the throttle, you have to... Yeah, it's all hot. The tires are hot. Works great. The throttle's a little lively. Yeah, go have at it. Oh, you're killing me, I'm in the wrong gear now. Hey, Stephanie. gosh, he's got to go in the next lap. Here's Sean. Hey Sean, here's what your riding looks like.
Photos one of those things like it's Monday.